My sister never talked to me. Come to my house, friends.
Hello, Maha.
Venba, you? How do you know my name, Ma? Venba, I am your pregnancy doctor. Venba, I say one truth to you. Venba, your second doctor not dead. She is alive. What? My second doctor is alive? Really? See, how is this possible? She is Tamil. Tamil is your second doctor. I can't live without Tamil. Please don't split us, Venba, please. Ma, don't feel, Ma. We all live together. Don't feel. Okay, Venba. Sakti, when Gauri is here about Tamil, she became very happy. Yes, Venba, my brother Raj is also happy to saw Tamil.
Uncle, auntie, wait. I go to mom and dad and say about Tamil and come here with them.
Okay, Surya.
Mom, dad, where are you?
What, Surya? What happened?
What, Surya? What happened?
Mom, dad, our auntie Venba's daughter arrived her home.
Are you saying about Maha?
No, dad. It is Tamil, her second daughter.
What? Tamil? Venba's second doctor is alive now?
Yes, mom. One doctor saved her and now only she came.
Come, Gauri. We go to saw Tamil immediately.
Tamil?
Tamil, how are you?
Fine, uncle.
Brother, you came to my house? Sakti, sorry brother. Just for money, I fight with you. Sorry, please forgive me. Oh no, brother, don't talk like this. Sakti?
Venba, how are you? I saw you after many years.
Yes, Gauri sister, yes. But now I saw you. I am very happy now.
But why are you sad, Venba?
You didn't just call to me.
Sorry, Venba, because of my situation, I didn't call you.
It's okay, sister. In our words, we live together.
Sakti, Venba, sorry for all my mistakes. In our words, we all live together. Yes, brother, we all live together. Yes, brother, we all live together. Yes, brother, we all live together.
Sakti? Sakti, what happened? What happened to you?
Nothing, Venba, just imagination.
What, Sakti?
Venba, in my imagination, my brother forgive me. He came here and saw Tamil.
Sakti, don't worry. Our doctor Tamil must join with us to Rajesh and Gauri.
Okay, Venba.
Mom, dad, where are you?
I am here, Surya.
Mom, your plan worked well.
Really? What happened?
Mom, Tamil joined with her family.
Happy to hear that.
Mom, Tamil is the second daughter of your sister Venba.
What happened, Surya?
Dad, your brother's second daughter would came.
Really? Okay.
Dad, just for money, you fight with your brother. Because of you, my mom also separated with her sister.
Surya, what are you talking?
Wait, Mom, I want to talk now. Wait. Please, Dad, please forgive your brother. If you don't mind, I study well and go to good job and return your money.
Surya, stop. I am not like that, Surya. I understand my wrongness. Sorry, Surya.
Really, Dad? Really?
Yes, Gauri. Go and ready. We go to Sakti's house and see him.
Rajesh, really, it is true or a dream?
Gauri, go. It is not a dream. It is real.
Okay, Rajesh. Venba.
Sister, you came to saw me?
Yes, Venba, yes, I came. Our problems are over now.
What, sister?
Venba, Tamil came. Our problems and worries gone.
Sister, you came here. If it not to Rajesh, he became angry with you.
Venba, Rajesh also came.
Vinba, sorry ma for separating you both.
Oh no, don't talk like this.
Sakti, sorry brother. Just for money, I became angry with you. Sorry brother, sorry.
It's okay, brother. You have the rights to become angry with me.
Sakti. Hello, excuse me.
Who is it?
We are the parents of Rahu.
Oh, come inside. All of you are with your parents, so only I asked my parents to come here.
Good, Rahu.
Tamil, I am the mother of Rahu. I think you remember me. Your family looks very happy and beautiful.
Yes, Auntie, we are all same family and friends.
Okay, Tamil.
Surya, Rahu, Tamil and Maha. I say now, you must be a good friend till end because friendship is the never-end relationship. Mind it.
Sir, uncle.
Surya, Rahu, first you both fight always, but now you both joined using friendship. Because of you both, our all problems are over.
What?
Yes, Rahu, yes, Surya. Because of you both, my sister Tamil came to us. Our family joined together. Surya, Rahu, your friendship will continue till end.
Okay, Maha.
Yes, Maha. Me and Surya will always be friends. We help all till end.
Rahu, Surya, because of you both, we all joined. My blessings always with you, my child.
Surya.
Rahu.